guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my wash day routine. All of the products that I use in this video I'm going to link in the description box below so that you can order them. The shampoo that I'm using is Eden Body Works Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Shampoo. I love the smell of this. I just put a small amount in my hands and scrub it into my scalp. I also use this Masque Soft Scalp Scrubber. I found it on Amazon and I just thought it would be super cool to try, and I actually really like it a lot. It really helps get rid of the buildup on my scalp, and it honestly just feels really good. Conditioner that I use is also by Eden Body Works. It's also the Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration line. I love the smell of this, and it leaves my hair super moisturized. I typically just fill my hand full of conditioner because I have so much hair. I mainly focus on the ends of my hair, but I just make sure that it's completely saturated. My wet brush is the holy grail of my hair routine in general, and especially on wash days. I use this just to comb through my hair and detangle it, and while I'm doing that I use my fingers as well to just kind of go through and detangle and make sure there's no knots. Last but not least, I use this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. I use quite a bit of it, and I just focus on the ends and make sure they're completely covered. I use this just to add moisture back into my hair after it's been washed. After the mask is applied, I typically leave it on my hair for about 5 minutes, and I usually take that time to shower, shave, and get everything else done. After the 5 minutes is up, it's time to rinse. And that pretty much sums up my wash day routine. I typically do this once a week, and after I'm done washing it and everything, I just do my everyday hair routine. If you want to see that video, I will link that in the description box. Like I mentioned before, I will link all of the products that I use in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.